Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Parang lahat gusto maging content creator ngayon, pero hindi lahat nakikita yung totoong buhay behind the camera. Hours of thinking, endless scrolling, kung ano ang trending, tapos yung pressure na baka walang manood. This is the raw side of being a creator. And trust me, it's not the glamorous highlight reel you think it is.
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
Being a content creator sounds fun, pero the reality is discipline and sacrifice. You spend hours brainstorming, scripting, editing, tapos minsan wala pa ring nanonood. Imagine going live with 0 viewers, parang kausap mo lang sarili mo. Nakakatawa minsan, pero masakit din. Isolation is real. While others are out chilling, ikaw nasa kwarto nag-iisip kung paano mo gagawin yung next video. You sacrifice sleep, social life, even relationships, just to chase that one viral moment. And yet, kahit ilang rejection, kahit ilang beses ka ma-ignore, you keep coming back. Bakit? Kasi may promise. The promise na one video can change your life. Some creators are making millions just by being consistent, creative, and fearless. Dahil sa grind, ngayon sila ang bagong milyonaryo ng generation na to. That's why this hype is so strong. Because it proves na kahit ordinaryo ka, pwede kang mag-level up big time. Content creation levels the playing field. Kahit sino, kahit anong background, pwedeng mag-earn, pwedeng mag-shine. Hindi mo kailangan ng diploma para mag-trend. Hindi mo kailangan ng connections para magka-followers. You just need guts, creativity, and consistency. And yes, it's enjoyable to some kasi it's freedom. Freedom to express, to connect, to be heard. Yung thrill na may nag-comment na relate ako dito or grabe, tama ka, keeps us going. It's not just about money, it's about building a community kahit maliit pa yan. Pero let's be blunt. Content creation is not for the weak. Kung hindi ka ready sa rejection, sa discipline, sa sacrifices, then maybe it's not for you. Pero kung kaya mong tumawa kahit walang nanonood, kung kaya mong magpatuloy kahit walang nag-aabang, then maybe you're built for this. Final message. Here's the truth. Content creation will test your patience, your ego, and your sanity. Pero it will also show you who you really are. Are you the type na susuko after one flop? Or are you the type na lalaban hanggang may makakakita? Kasi at the end of the day, it's not about the views. It's about the voice. And the question is simple. How bad do you want to be heard?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.